Welcome to VisPile. Here's how to get started using our interface. So documents are laid out in folders on the left that can be opened by clicking on them. These documents will be put into piles on the right. To find relevant documents, you can start by searching using keyword filtering, as well as rearranging documents by grouping the documents and sorting the documents within groups by document metadata. You can also type a free-form question, task, or topic, and perform a similarity search, which will rank the documents by how similar they are to your query. To add documents to piles, you can either click and drag a document to a pile, or click on documents and press the Create Pile button. Additionally, you can right-click a folder and create piles this way. This will add all documents within the folder to a pile. So, piles can be created, renamed, duplicated, and deleted, as well as filtered from the view. Within a pile, you can click on documents to open and close them. You can perform 8 different predefined LLM tasks, as well as run a custom LLM prompt, all using the documents in the piles. Some tasks require additional inputs. You can open the settings menu to set the model temperature and provide additional inputs to the LLM prompt. Once ready, hit the query button. The LLM will return a response based on the task and the documents provided. You can toggle monospace font to help with readability. Finally, we provide 3 follow-up operations to perform with the response. You can ask the LLM to extract knowledge graph entities in the response, link sentences in the response to the most semantically similar sentences in the source documents, and click on the links to highlight them in the source documents. And finally, suggest additional documents that are relevant to the current response. Knowledge graph entities can be searched in 2 ways. You can click entities in the LLM response, or you can search for them in the text field. The search will return the most likely match of entity in the knowledge graph and provide information about the entity, including up to 5 facts, connected nodes, and alternative spellings for your search term. The knowledge graph facts have a subject, predicate, and object, and list the document where the fact came from. You can select the document to filter it in the documents list. Finally, you can open and close the knowledge graph menu and clear the searched entity.